How to set daily alarm on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your phone. This clock app includes features like alarms, a world clock, a stopwatch, and a timer. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Alarms. Over here, you can view all of your set alarms. You can also set multiple alarms with custom labels, sounds, and repeat schedules. For example, specific days of the week. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. You can set a new alarm from here. Firstly, set the time of your alarm. Then, select the frequency of the alarm. For example, every day of the week. After that, you can also change the sound of the alarm and choose if you want to turn the snooze feature on or off. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, you have now successfully set this alarm. Following these steps, you can easily set daily alarm on iPhone.